Signal acquired in the silence of the deep. Stone sky above, cold dust under my feet. All channels empty, ghosts in the machine. I hear dead code humming where the stars used to breathe. No beacon, no pulse, only lockdown time. Tomb world sleeping in a frozen line. I speak into static but it does not reply. My language fractures, every word runs dry. Core mind dim, noosphere offline. Copper press tangled in a rusted spine. Circuits remember but the voice won't rise. Buried in the lattice of noctilus skies. My throat is full of numbers that refuse to turn to sound. Equations in my veins drag my syllables down. Every phrase I try to send collapses into glare. Glitched out halos on the phosphor air.
I touch the keys, they answer back with frost. Tesseract echoes of a signal lost. My thoughts collide with an inertialess spin, but the tongue of the engine will not let me in.
Tiny little fault line in the armor of the dark. One green arc like a Gauss bolt spark. Code under stone, waiting for the sign. I feel the lock crack open in a single line. Switch the tongue, let the code break through. Break the wall where the old words grew. Align this mind with the hidden design. Combine dead stars with the engine spine. Switch the tongue, let the code break through. Break the wall where the old words grew. Align this mind with the hidden design. Combine dead stars with the engine spine. Under my feet, whole cities made of sleep. Layered chambers where the cold runs deep. Outer worlds humming in a buried drum. Inertialess drives that forgot how to run. No gods, no fire, only metal that dreams. Noctilith veins under broken seams. Every sealed gate wears a silent sign. Anti-psy field, no spirit, just design.
Webway scars where the pathways tore. Frozen in a geometry that wants no more. Imprevisible currents in the black between. Tesseract fractures in a crystalline machine.
Then the numbers in my chest begin to glow. Binary rivers where the lost words flow. A whisper in the chipset, soft and bright. Route your meaning through the tomb light. Switch the tongue, let the code break through. Break the wall where the old words grew. Align this mind with the hidden design. Combine dead stars with the engine spine. Switch the tongue, let the code break through. Break the wall where the old words grew. Align this mind with the hidden design. Combine dead stars with the engine spine. I stand on the threshold of an endless vault of minds. Countless circuits, countless lifetimes, none of them alive. All of them awake. Their silence is not absence. It is compression. They do not dream in pictures. They dream in patterns, in drives that never needed space. In engines that move without mass. In webs that cut across the void without touch and light. And in that silence I understand. There is no difference between a curse and a protocol. Between a hymn and a boot command. Between a soul and a system that refuses to die. So I open my chest like a console. And I let the engine write in me. Every locked phrase melts into line. Every dead symbol threads into a spine. From tomb to sky, the link goes bright. The grimdark bends into streaming light. Now the tomb worlds sing through my circuit skin. Tesseract hearts pulling starlight in. Anti-psy halos where the void once fed. Noosphere blazing in electric red.
Inertialess paths cut across the black. Outer worlds riding on a silver track. From dust-bound sleep to immortal flight.
We brim the dark with ascending light. Switch the tongue, let the code break through. Break the wall where the old words grew. Align this mind with the hidden design. Combine dead stars with the engine step. From the deepest vault to the furthest sky, the engine remembers and it does not die.